Today we're making Mongolian beef. This recipe has become a favorite in our household. It's great, eaten fresh, and it's awesome for leftovers. It contains ginger and garlic, which is great for your gut health. Let's go ahead and make this recipe. All right, there we have it, our Mongolian beef recipe. We love to make this into a bowl type of dish with some vegetables. The vegetables that we pair it with are rice, cauliflower, and mushrooms. We'll add a little bit of brown rice or basmati rice to make it a balanced meal. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as our family does.